building a thriving digital economy require more than just isolated piece of technology. It demands a complete and also synchronized ecosystem built from ground up. So I'm Dr. Sakinah, and my mission is to architect the technical and policy framework that make this possible. So to drive true transformations, I developed the vertical domain integration model. It bridged the gap between the high-level strategy and the real-world impact by targeting three critical layers. The first one is actually sovereign public policy, deep tech industrial pipeline at the center, and then finally the grassroots training education's literacy. So this is a very important integration that will help this activity or the initiative comes to life. At the macro level, data governance must serve the public good for State of Malacca. I designed a comprehensive big data blueprint and authored national award-winning text on big data policy to guide these massive digital transitions. Then, to eliminate fragmented data silo, I developed 9 crucial business requirement specification. This successful merge multiple data stream into single unified Malacca Digital Command Center, MD2C, and for a real-time executive decisions. And because data must be secured, the entire infrastructure is built based on the National AI Safety Protocol that I also helped to co-author the guideline. Then we move to the industrial layer. The policy is only as powerful as the technology backing. Moving to the industrial layer, I built deep tech solutions capable of optimizing massive data. So here we are using Pri power plant as an example. So we process over 3.3 million data, and we are using the deep neural network as a model. Then from here, we can help in terms of slash the energy and create a ESG auditing for these activities. Moreover, we also use satellite data in order to come out with a good uh, complex radar signal to improve the process of automated critical hazard alert. Next, in order to achieve this, we need also to do a capacity building. Finally, the true innovation must be inclusive, all at the grassroots level. I work to ensure advanced technical training reach regional education network. So I collaborate with UNESCO and Ministry of Education. And here we do AI-inspired teacher program and intentionally securing an impressive 71.1% female participations. And from here, we can have a more impact, which is we estimate around 100,000 students over the next 5 years will reach the impact. Then, as an academic, I also do some innovation in my teaching and also in my assessment. And I create ICANN, a championship winning framework that replicates the outdated traditional testing with industry link. So here we can see that in order to make sure that our solution is working from sovereignty public policy to the high precision industrial AI, down to the grassroots technical inclusion, my work proved that when you integrate data leadership vertically, you lift an entire region horizontally. Thank you for considering my journey for the Women in AI APAC Award.